Guess what? I got a video about Vivaldi right here, boy. Vivaldi, an amazing browser. An amazing browser. I want to talk about my Vivaldi rice. I want to talk about how I use Vivaldi to like cheese wannabe web apps and shortcuts into my app launcher and how easy it all really is. So I have Vivaldi set up. Let's open it up here. That's it, right there. You're like, how the hell do you interact with this thing? If I press all day, it brings up my little barski, right? So if we go into the settings, we'll just take a cruise around. We'll talk about a couple things. All right, in appearance, there's a couple things you want to do here. Status bar you hide. Like, you just basically trying to hide as much of this as you can going through all this. I don't know, like I would be here for like an hour trying to explain all these different things. Compact layout, menu icon. Well, I guess you could use that if you wanted. As you see, top left, it changed. I prefer that one. You go down to like tabs, you get rid of all this stuff in here that you can get rid of. Panel, same thing. Address bar, you hide all this, right? A lot of this stuff you can hide too by going to view. Like I have all this stuff turned off. That's actually probably the easiest way to do it. And yeah, so then from there, if I go to keyboard, you come in here and you alter all your shortcuts. So for instance, Alt A brings up the address bar for me, right? Or if I want, let's say, well, let's go somewhere. YouTube, right? Let's say I want a new tab. Alt W opens up a new tab. I can use control and page up and page down to go between the tabs, right? And then I can use Alt Q to exit a tab. So that's basically how I navigate the browser. And it works great. And then the other part about having Vivaldi Rice like this is like I don't have Discord installed on here. I don't have, things, but if you look, oh, I have Discord right here. Oh, Distro Watch, what the hell? Oh, look, it's its own little app wiki page thing I got going on. So, and that's all because I have this, completely stripped down. So if I were to go into actually let me go back up. If I was to go into my extensions, I will show you. I've got a fair amount of extensions installed here. A lot of these are things that alter YouTube or Twitter, Discord. So like, I don't know, if I go here, we'll open up Twitter. I have this completely different. It looks different. It looks like it's almost like its own app, but it's not. It's just a shortcut. So that's like just like a form of, I guess, ricing, like some advanced browser ricing. Uh Another thing you can do is you see here, I have Violent Monkey installed. Um if we go here to greasyfork.org, you can find scripts for all sorts of websites on here. And they do all sorts of different things. And you just add them in to the stuff you want. Like, for instance, I have a script for Twitter that enables me to download any video that I come across on there. I click into the post. There's a little extra little button that wasn't there before, and I can download. And then all these things make it so you can customize and have a better experience with like your applications. I feel like it's definitely lighter on the packages too. Like if you're a person like me that's like likes to have minimal packages. And then honestly, you can just have all sorts of stuff. Like, okay, this is one thing that I'm experimenting with. So I obviously, like many millions of people, buy stuff off of Amazon. So if you go into the Chrome Web Store, actually, look, I have a. Oh, here's the little lag with Cosmic. I have a Chrome Web Store one set up. Wow, that was glitchy. Anyway, and in here, I can find like stuff for Amazon. Like there's a bunch of stuff for Amazon. And then you can set up your Amazon shortcut with all your stuff, all your different things that you can pick. I mean, dude, like I don't know if you're a boomer and you use Facebook, like you could find a bunch of extensions for that, you know what I mean? Or I don't know, all these different websites and you can turn these little shortcuts almost into like their own programs. I know I just said that like three fucking times in a short period. But I'm trying to reiterate this. Like it works out very nicely. Um yeah, and they show up in your start menu. I mean, that's basically what you want. How am I doing this? Did I say how I was doing it? I don't think I remember I said how I was doing it. So glitchy boy. Um I'll show you two examples. Let's show. So when I go to install one of these or make one of these or whatever the hell you want to call it, I go to view and I turn on the tab bar. And if you right click on here, it'll have create shortcut for everything. But some websites, it'll be like install YouTube and it'll be like a little web app. So, yeah. What is this great for? I mean, it's great for tiling window managers, and it's great for just having a really clean cut looking desktop experience with your browser. I don't know. I'm rambling. I'm really stoned, and I didn't sleep. So this is where we're at. Rice and Vivaldi. Bang bang. All right. I don't think I got anything else to say about it. I think that's basically it. You use something like Grease Monkey, Tamper Monkey, Violent Monkey, whatever the monkey app is, right? You get the extension. You go find your scripts, your different scripts for your different websites. You also utilize the Google Chrome store to get all the different things that you need to alter whatever the hell it is you're doing. And all of a sudden now you have a custom experience that other people don't have. And that makes you cool. It make like ricing your desktop, whether you're using Windows or Linux or Mac, always makes you cooler than everybody else, and I want everybody to remember that. That's right. All right, check you later, dudes.